I would like to introduce some games, especially to our Jolly Kids. But for that, asa na ibang kids natin?
Ang batang matibay, hindi ang tibay na harap. Para sa batang tibay, Bearbrain.
Dahil na marami ng ways to earn rewards sa Yu-Gi-Oh! 1UP, at mas sana ngayon na pwede na kayong maglaro. Katulad na, ano yan? Para sa may apat na picture, tapos wala yung ang reward na nag-discard sa apat na para ano po, picture mo. Kung sa reward ko doon, magbibigay ako ng 10K.
What you have to do is just pass the balloon next to your right where the music is playing. And of course, habang ginagawa niyo ito, dapat kayo din ay sumasayaw. And when the music stop, yung pinaka-last na may hawak ng balloon ay siya ang matatanggal sa ating laro. Okay, nakuha ba? But take note, you have to dance while passing the balloon. Ang hindi sasayaw ay matatanggal sa ating play. Okay, if you're ready, alright, if you're ready, okay, just wait for my signal ate. Okay, magbitaw-bitaw na ng kamay. And huwag masyadong malayo sa isa't isa para madaling ipasa ang balloon. Ate Mar, come here. Ayun mo? Okay, may ate Brianna. Alright, if you're ready, pass the balloon in 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, dance, dance. You have to dance. Dance. Ops. Okay, kuya. As I've said kanina, earlier. Okay, pass. Pass the balloon. Okay, let's look at the balloon. Okay, the balloon. Pass. Next, pass. Okay, dance. I don't see you dancing. Okay, show me your dance moves. Okay, pass. Oh? Okay, kuya. Ikaw. Okay, take your seat. Thank you so much for participating. Okay, ready? Pass the balloon. Alright, dance. You have to dance. Okay, pass. Oops. Si Ate Brianna. Okay, Ate Brianna, take your seat. Alright, congrats. Okay, ready? Pass. Oops. Kuya, I'm so sorry. Okay, ate.
Naku,
Okay, tayo sa gitna.
Nakiiyak ako.
Pass. Oops. Okay, ate. Thank you so much. Okay, we are ready. Pass the balloon.
Okay. Huwag sanang umiyak nito. Sumali na siya.
Okay, Kuya, ang balloon. Thank you so much. Okay, ready? Pass the balloon. Ay, natin ka nito pag Okay, pass, pass, pass. Okay, pass. Dance, dance. Oops. Okay, si Ate. Congratulations. Palapala ng tulog natin. Okay. Ang active ng Jolly Kids natin. Napakasaya magpa-games pa ganito. Okay, for our fourth winning. Okay, for my fourth winning. The first two again, the first two who can bring me a right here. Puting buko. Ano kaya mo? Uban. Ako, uban. I need uban. Okay, dalawa pa. I need two more winners.
Ang batang mag-isip, hindi ang iba'y
Isang palakpakan na po yan. Alright, at this moment, paano po ba tayo magsatay lahat? Sabay-sabay pa tayo kumawi? Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday. Okay, lahat naman po yung mga wet. Mas malakas pa. Jolly birthday to you. Jolly birthday, jolly birthday, jolly birthday. Make a wish muna before blowing your candle. Alright, you may now make a wish and blow your candle. Blow na kaya. Okay, very good. Palapakalawan po natin sila. Okay, taking na po tayo syempre. Mauna po ang family. Natira sila aking okay, finally. mag-selfie at nagpa-picture kay best friend Jollibee at sa ating mga celebrants, pumunta lamang po dito sa may harapan. Ano po yung mga ninang at ninong na nandito po ngayon, wala po munang uuwi. Dahil nandito po yung mga souvenirs ninyo. Okay.
Are you happy?
Yes, 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 mommy. Okay ko na yung sa'yo, Gerard. Ah, sa'yo na. Akin na.
Oh, this is from Trent.
Oh! Ah?
Wow.
Oh! Turuan kita magdaro nito, hindi mo pa alam to. Turuan kita? Oo.
Thank you, Laushi. Sabi mo.
Thank you, Yoshi.